Now we're going to take you to Milford, Iowa. One person was injured after a motorcycle accident in Milford yesterday. According to the Milford Police Department, it happened just after 6 o'clock Saturday night at 28th Street and Highway 71. 49-year-old Chad Banks of Milford was driving south on a motorcycle when the bike left the roadway and rolled. Banks was found unresponsive when officers arrived and CPR efforts were performed. According to officers, Banks was transported by ambulance to Lakes Region Hospital for treatment, but due to his debilitating injuries, police say he was later transferred to a Sioux Falls hospital. The accident tonight remains under investigation.